What's up, my name is Technober here for Troubleshoot and welcome back to a really quick video on Overwatch 2. If you're getting an error while trying to launch the game or play it, that being LC-208, you're getting a really common error at this moment, and more than likely it's caused by the servers being down for maintenance or simply because they're overloaded. Even with a queue system, things aren't going as planned, things are bound to go wrong. LC-208 is a common error for those who have merged accounts, and currently there isn't a fix if you have a merged account. Though this is something the developers are actively working on, so rest assured, things should hopefully be fixed. Though if you're absolutely sure that the servers are up, the easiest way around it is by connecting to a different server, one that's not in your local region or really close to you. To do that, check your internet, make sure things are working properly, and then try a VPN from a plethora of different brands, anywhere from the free Cloudflare War all the way across to paid subscriptions. Using a simple VPN, even to the same region, may give you a different route to the servers and allow you to play the game as normal. While there isn't an official down detector or anything like that for Overwatch 2, the easiest way to find out is checking the Overwatch 2 forums over here and seeing if there's anything in the top section here about servers being down, or in the announcements section here talking about server downtime. It would be really useful if there was an uptime or something like that available for Overwatch 2, but at this current point, there isn't anything like that. So anyways, a super quick video. Hopefully this video helps you if you're getting error code LC-208. My name has been Technober here for Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.